Good morning, I guess. I'm not sure how to start this vlog because I slept like shit. So, yeah. Kayla, please don't flap me when you edit me. Yeah, might eat some conflicts right now. Yeah.
It is.
So how you rate it so far?
You feel?
What?
That you go down too much panic?
No, that man did stop fast, Daddy. Come on.
Man ain't that fast.
That man did stop fast.
Man ain't that fast.
I'm gonna know say Kayla edit this shall go flap me, you know. Okay, so nothing so far. Help her teach how to 1 and 2 things, and so it go. Kina, you want to say hi to the vlog?
Please, me, I need this.
No, say hi to the vlog then.
Drag up on your vlog, you see it?
Nigga.
Where you start off a vlog with drag up. You see it, live.
So,
This looks so sexy.
bruh.
We just look so damn good.
Back it again, guys.
Guys, we just look tattooed.
She ready for you, she excited.
I'm done.
So I guess you did it. Hi guys, say hi to the vlog. I'm gonna even turn on the camera, yeah.
Yeah, guys.
We can adjust here when you're ready.
Yeah.
So when you come in,
Getting fitted.
The most thing I'm like, guys, I was just like when we were the last time with the 2-point, just like everything again.
No, you have to take camera.
That you had.
That's enough time for you.
So if we come back over here at 12.
12.
Right? We're gonna come back over here at 12 and get ready. Because start 1:30.
Oh, okay. No problem.
So don't come back late in the bar. Reach over here 1 o'clock, you know? Lunch, you heard? Yeah.
No problem.
So I'm to the other guys, now man.
I'll apply for my castle.
The other one right now.
Simmons.
Oh, not him. The light skin.
The weird one we always.
Simmons.
And you walk fast?
Simmons.
I don't know if you walk far.
No, one of them could have forward to school today, and next one say him now, but
No matter shut about Simmons.
That's
Which one say him now about to do it? The brown one?
Yeah, no, not him. The tall one, Simmons.
Tall, weird one.
Yeah, and my friend.
So him never did it last time?
Him did do it last time.
You look shy, so you can move fast,
And let me forget him name.
Who that? Simmons. Justin.
Justin. Him could have reached to him.
Well, whatever will work.
Work. I can wear 2 outfits. It's just I have to keep on the chain.
No, you can't wear two. You have to go now on.
We're the best one.
Yeah, no, me I wear already, man. See that silver one right there, so you know. Fun back on it for mine. Never want to make the camera get a preview, right? Want to keep it exclusive on the stage. Then we'll see it, man.
So, which one you want to wear? The same red and black or you want to switch to another one?
Same red and black.
You sure you don't want to change?
Nice.
Maybe the one with Simmons. What is Simmons?
Simmons.
Or you want to wear your same red and black?
Same red and black. Yeah, go with the same though.
Yeah. Of course, man. Which one?
Me? No, we're the same one like 21, but that one I'm more eat.
I'm gonna say eat. Whatever the man is. I don't know when it turns.
Alright, so you guys are
Eat.
So on to your brown friend.
Him can't follow you, man. Justin can't follow. Like say him later or something. If anything change me, send him around to you.
You're not sending him, you
Just tell him. Yeah, just come.
Or if you know anybody else from one will look
Look, believe. Yeah.
He would have modeled the youth towards one now.
Me ask her. No problem.
Which of them have the fit?
All them have is probably them school pants. That's the camera. Alright.
We're vlogging.
next song. Next song. Put this out here.
Alicia. Continue video. Just video all around the place. Just walk around.
Big view, really.
What's that with the confidence? Someone like them on 5, isn't
From Melissa Moses. Keep the applause going while we get the next model in this leather black suit. Remember Melissa Moses, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome the next model in black and white.
Modeling. Oh god. I want to eat lunch with the camera. Jordan and this. Let's see where you go. There was so much other things I wanted to record, but I couldn't. Because nobody knew in there. Out of the chains, unfortunately. So I'm just there for a seat. I'm not sure if you can see it, but Mark taking with my clone, coffee. As such person approaches, we reach the end of our class today. Kayla, please don't flap when you record when you're 8 and blah blah blah. Really, sir. Toodles.